Did you know your Galaxy S25 Ultra could charge from 0 to 100% in under an hour? Yes, it's possible, but only if you have the right fast charger. If you're tired of waiting around for your phone to power up, we've got the ultimate solution for you. Hey there, welcome to MyAccessoriesTrench. Today, we're uncovering the 5 best 45W USB-C PPS fast wall chargers with USB-C cables for the Galaxy S25 Ultra in 2025. These chargers aren't just about speed. They're designed to keep your phone cool, safe, and fully powered when you need it most. Stay tuned because we're breaking down why each one is a game changer. Don't forget, the links to all these products are waiting for you in the description below. Let's dive in. At number 4 is Doisently Super Fast Charger. Imagine charging your Galaxy S25 Ultra to 50% in just 20 minutes. That's the power of the Doisently 45W Super Fast Charger, and it's not just fast, it's revolutionary. This charger uses the latest PD and PPS technology, delivering up to 45W of power to keep your Galaxy S25 Ultra and other devices running without interruption. Picture this: a full charge in under an hour, 3 times faster than the outdated 15W chargers. It's a lifesaver when you're in a rush. Equipped with a 6 feet USB-C to USB-C cable, it offers flexibility, fast charging, and high-speed data transfers up to 480 megabits per second. Whether you're in bed, at the office, or traveling, this setup is built for convenience. Safety. Absolutely. With built-in multi-protection, it prevents overvoltage, overheating, and overcharging, giving you peace of mind while maximizing battery health. Perfectly compatible with a wide range of Samsung Galaxy devices and more, this charger is the ultimate upgrade for your 2025 gadgets. Get yours today and feel the difference. On number 3 is 45W Super Fast Charger. Did you know your Galaxy S25 Ultra can hit 50% charge in just 20 minutes? That's the magic of this 45W Super Fast Charger, designed to redefine charging speed and convenience for 2025 gadgets. Imagine fully charging your device in under an hour, 3 times faster than outdated 15W chargers. Whether you're rushing out the door or multitasking, this charger ensures you're always powered up. Plus, the dual ports, 45W plus 25W, let you charge 2 devices simultaneously without sacrificing speed. The included 2-pack cables, a 6.6 feet and 3.3 feet braided nylon pair, offer unparalleled flexibility and durability, making it easy to charge from anywhere, whether it's your desk, couch, or bed. Safety isn't just a feature, it's a priority. The intelligent chip monitors voltage, temperature, and current in real time, protecting your Galaxy S25 Ultra and other USB-C devices from overheating or overcharging. This isn't just a charger, it's peace of mind, unmatched speed, and ultimate convenience. Elevate your charging game today. At number 2 is Anker 45W Charger Block. What if your charger could power your Galaxy S25 Ultra to 50% in just 20 minutes? The Anker 45W Charger Block is here to deliver just that, a revolutionary charging experience tailored for 2025's top gadgets. With 45W of pure charging power, this compact powerhouse is engineered to keep your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and other USB-C devices at peak performance. It's universally compatible, handling everything from flagship smartphones to tablets, and even laptops. Safety is non-negotiable. Anker's multi-protect technology guards against overheating, overvoltage, and short circuits, ensuring your devices stay safe, even with frequent use. And the perks don't stop there. You get 2 ultra-durable 5 feet USB-C cables, designed to withstand over 10,000 bends and deliver up to 100W of power. Perfect for home, office, or travel, they offer flexibility and reliability. If speed, safety, and convenience are your priorities, this is the charger for you. Ready to upgrade? Check out the link below and power up like never before. Now moving to the last one is wall Android phone charger. Can your charger power your Galaxy S25 Ultra to 50% in just 20 minutes? Meet the wall Android phone charger, a game changer for anyone tired of slow charging times. Designed with 45W super fast charging technology, this compact powerhouse works seamlessly with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and a host of other flagship devices, from the Galaxy S24 Ultra to the Z Fold 4. Imagine saving over half an hour compared to older 15W or 25W chargers, perfect for those always on the go. The included USB-C to USB-C cable supports blazing fast data transfer up to 480 megabits per second and handles up to 5 A of power, ensuring your device charges faster and syncs data seamlessly. Its lightweight, portable design makes it ideal for home, office, or travel, easily slipping into your bag or pocket. Safety is a priority, with intelligent features to prevent overheating, overcharging, and short circuits. Whether powering your phone, tablet, or laptop, this charger delivers unmatched speed, versatility, and reliability. So guys, this was a video about the 5 best Galaxy S25 Ultra 45W USB-C PPS fast wall chargers with USB-C cable 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.